Here I'm back with another new Boost mobile phone by Samsung, which is Galaxy A02s. Boost never had its previous versions such as A01 or A02, so it is a kind of new series introduced in Boost Mobile. So according to the current promotions in Boost Mobile, this one is $110 free when you switch to Boost Mobile, $60 if you are existing Boost customer and eligible for upgrade, and $60 if you open up the brand new line. So it's a decent price with low specs. This phone falls into the category of the lower end device. So in this video we are going to unbox this phone and we'll talk about its specs and features. So let's see if this phone is good for you guys or not. So stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I opened up the box already and initial setup is completed just to save the time. So let me show you guys what comes inside the box. So the phone, Samsung Galaxy A02s, power adapter. I don't see fast charging sign on it, but on Boost Mobile website it says this phone is fast charging capable, so I believe that. And type C charging cable, manual to read, and SIM card slot. So that's all. Let's start with its specifications. This one has 6.5-inch HD display. It's not a full vision display. The screen resolution is 720p, which is low. They could do a little better than that. I did not like its touch. It's not smooth, and the graphics quality is low to me. You guys may feel it the other way. Comes with 5 megapixels selfie camera, which is okay. Let's check on the back side. Black color with diamond shaped lining, plastic body, matte finished. Triple camera system with flashlight, 13 megapixels main camera, 2 megapixels macro, and 2 megapixels depth camera. And on this side, volume keys and power button. This one does not have fingerprint scanner but do have face recognition. I don't know how you guys gonna like that. And on the other side, this is SIM card and memory card slot. The pin comes inside the box in case you need to remove that. The bottom side is headphone jack, mic, charging port, and a speaker. I'm going to play a video so that you guys can see the sound quality, as well as I can show you that how big a screen you can zoom in. So let me play this video. Is the right fit for you guys or not? Okay, this is not a full vision. You guys can see plenty of space left on the edges. Sound is not bad. Sound is okay. This one comes with 32 gig built-in storage, and 13.2 gig of that is gone in the initial setup. So consider adding external SD card at any point because it has low built-in storage. 1.8 gigahertz Qualcomm octa-core processor, only 2 GB of RAM. Processor is good, it's octa-core, while 2 GB of RAM is low these days, and this one I do feel it is slow while I'm opening different applications. So more RAM means more processing faster, so this phone is little slow, so keep it that also in your mind while you are going to buy this one. So I have covered its most important specifications, which makes any phone good or bad, and we should know before to buy any phone, such as what kind of processor it has, how much built-in storage it has, if you like to take good pictures, what kind of camera setup this phone has, if you like to watch movies, what kind of resolution it has, how big is the screen. So now let's talk about some features, such as if you guys want to see the battery percentage, which by default is off, you can turn it on. And to do that, you simply go in the settings and search status bar right here, status bar, And as you guys can see, show battery percentage is off. Once you turn it on, now you guys can see 46% remaining. This is the easy way to find out how much battery is left. So second feature is about the button on this screen on the bottom right now is on the swap gesture. You don't see any button to go back or to go in the menu. That we can do easily in the setting as well. In the setting, search for the navigation bar right here, and navigation bar. So right now it's on swap gestures. So you like this style to have the button in the bottom, you just select this, and in that it gives you two options, two different sequence, whatever you like. So let's keep it the bottom one right now, and as you guys can see, the buttons are here. So now let's talk about the side key feature. By pressing power button twice, it opens up the camera, or you can open any other application. How you can do that? Go in the settings, look for advanced features, side key. Right now it's selected on quick launch camera. You want to open any app such as contacts, you go in the contacts. Now let's try. By pressing power button twice, it opening your contacts. If you want to turn off this feature, you can do that. Go in the settings, same place, advanced features, side key, and on top you can turn it off. So now that feature is completely off. So let's talk about the split screen feature, which is good if you want to open two screens simultaneously. And you can work on that separately without closing any. Very easy way. Press over here. For example, one you want to open Facebook, press and hold here. Second option is open in split screen view. And the other one, for example, navigation. Okay, now I can use Facebook and half of the screen, and other I can go for Google Map. That's it. So if you want to open up any app in the pop-up view, like you can work in the other screen while you have small screen open up, whatever you want to keep it continue. So on the same place, for example, I want to do Facebook app on the pop-up menu. So press and hold over here one time. The second option was split screen view. If you want to split the screen, for pop-up screen you can do open in pop-up view. Click over here. So this gonna open your app separately while you can do other things. This app is keep running over there. That's a pop-up view. If you want to take the screenshot, it's very simple. Press power button and volume down together. Well, you can take the screenshot like this. So I've covered its most important specifications, which we should know before to buy this phone, and some features. This phone is $110 and free when you search, but has only 32 gig memory built-in storage, which is really low. If you can spend $30 to $40 more, then you should go for option B and any other option, at least with 64 gig built-in storage. So if you have any question about this phone, feel free to comment. I will love to reply on that. So if you have watched my video till now, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.